Alrighty, just a little informational video on different company squeegees. Basically use on whatever windows you really want to use. Mop up our window here. Heck, first we're going to use a ledger. A long ledger, why not, for my boy out there who loves to use ledgers. Clean window pretty quick like that, huh? Mop it up again. This time we're going to use a simple 20-inch with a kick ledger here. Clean window. There you go. Next we're going to use a wagtail. This is off a Combi squeegee. Worked pretty well also with the mop on it. It was pretty easy. You can start at the bottom. You're going to start anywhere you want. Come back down and grab all your water. Get to the bottom. Alright. For the heck of it, let's use a 18-inch Ninja here. Lights pretty nice over the window there. Next, we use a Sorbo 3x4 Quicksilver. Pretty nice squeegee, movable handle here. Cleans up the window very nicely. Now I'll use a couple smaller squeegees for the heck of it. We just started out there. You want to use a 14th, pretty traditional squeegee here. Clip on, clip off. Fan the window a little more than we want. Now, we'll use one of these guys. There's a movable handle there, Ettore, and a 12-inch. Nothing too bad here. You're starting out, it's a good squeegee. Sometimes it breaks off a little bit bad, but overall pretty good. Now say you want to finish your windows really quick here. Don't want to take a lot of time. A couple methods you can try. Now you got a 20 here. It's about the width of the window. Alrighty. We're going to start at the bottom. Go up. Down. That's it. Window done. Have a good one.